get this epic shot. Yeah, Alex Galaxy.
Wow.
Yeah. Let's go! I think the last time that I went to Hong Kong must have been, I don't even know, like 5 years ago. Almost reminds me of my hometown, New York. I'm going to be working with this amazing hotel called the Fleming.
Introduce the room to you. The temperature okay for you? There is a USB port on both sides of the bed. You can play music through the speaker over there. This is an Apple TV, a handy phone that we provide to our guests. It has internet access, so you can see if the bathroom is bright enough for you. Wait, do not disturb.
Lovely.
If you leave anything at all, just ask your room to register.
Oh, good. Okay, so we just checked in, and I just wanted to freshen up a little because I look great. Actually gonna go to Temple Street Market to get some dinner. It is just so crazy and lively to be back in Hong Kong because I just forget how many people are everywhere, and I love cities like this. First meal in Hong Kong. Cheers! These are the steamed dumplings. Look at all that lobster in there. You know how much lobster costs usually? Like you can never get lobster like you can get it out here. Come on! It's 4:40 in the morning because I couldn't sleep really because of the time difference. So now I'm just enjoying a cup of joe. A little quick layer of Barbara Sturm. We are in Thai Koh Hanoi, famous for the monster building where we are about to go shoot. So excited to find this thing. Alright guys, if you see the meat shop, you know that you're at the right place. And you go right there. And try to get this epic shot. Ooh.
Thing in the middle?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Do you want to approach this table?
Yes. Okay. Muesli over here. Cereals, scrambled eggs, bacon, and the Marcia breakfast with the Italian pastry, croissant, Nutella, typical Italian, some strawberry jam, and toasted bread.
Nice. What is this, butter?
And the fresh orange juice. Enjoy.
Very good, thank you.
No problem.
We're right about to do our elevator scene right here. This is gonna be amazing. They've stopped the elevators for us.
뭐 자요?